Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your first episode, your new episode on my number and humble platform. Especially, I welcome all my new subscribers to your fresh and new episode to my humble platform, because here we always talk about how to make money online, how to start business online, how to fish online, everything online, and sometimes we talk about travel and lifestyle. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can send money from Nigeria to Ghana without any fee. How to send money from Ghana to Nigeria without any fee on the dollar arbitrage. Yeah, because like people always want to do arbitrage with people outside their country. So if they can make money, the fee has to be less or no fee. So I want to show you how you can make or how you can send money from Nigeria to Ghana with no fee, or how you can send money from Ghana to Nigeria with no fee. So first of all, you download EverSend from the link in my description. Yeah. So you open your EverSend app. I've shown like I have done a lot of videos about this app, and I know if you want to create this app, you can get a video on my channel and register on this app. Yeah. So after creating the app, you have a pin, then you enter your pin. So it will open for you. Yeah. So it will open for you. At times, when you enter your PIN and you see that it's not logging in, that means you don't have bundle or data. Yeah. So this how it is. So I want to show you how you can send money from Nigeria to Ghana, but it's no fee. People will saying that, oh, it's not true. How can you be sending money from this place to this and they will not charge you anything? Joe, I want to show you how you can send money from Nigeria to Ghana or Ghana to Nigeria without any fee. Without any fee. That is why I always say that everything is good for arbitrage. Yeah, if you're an arbitrager, like everything is good for you to use it. Yeah. So let's get started. So first of all, this is how our home screen look like. So if you're in Nigeria, like you'll get a naira wallet over here. Yeah, me, I don't want to do this my demo account, and I don't do videos about Nigeria. That's why you not see naira in this yeah in my home screen. Yeah, so I want to show you how you can send the money from Nigeria to Ghana without any fee or any commission. So this is how we do it. So first of all, are we seeing that down there? We have balance, we have cards, we have send, we have in, we have more. Everything over here has a particular purpose. So today we'll be using the middle one. So obviously there is five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you count from the left 1, 2, then the middle is 1. From the right 1, 2, and the middle is 1. So we click on the one that is the send. So this how it is. Yeah, send. This how it is. So if the person is already on EverSend, you can search for that person over here. You can search for that person over here. That's you can search by his number or sometimes their names. Yeah, because like if you see, I use my name. So if you enter Bill Evans, you'll get my you see I use Evans Bill to do it. Yeah, so you get everything over there. Yeah. So this is how we do it. So first of all, we are sending money from Ghana to Nigeria. Let's see it. So I'm sending 10,000 cities. You see, I'm sending 10,000 cities. That's 754,177 naira. That's 10,000 cities. And then sending 10,000. And I will see the fee. You will not pay any fee. you will not pay any fee. So when I click on continue, the money will send to that particular number. So first of all, if you want this thing to happen or work, the person you are sending the money have to also download EverSend and register on EverSend. So I will say receive EverSend money. I will say the person I'm sending the money to is on EverSend. But don't worry. You can also send money from here to mobile money without any fee. So let's assume the person don't have EverSend account. The person have mobile money or bank accounts. So if the person have more money, you enter the more money over here. You enter the number, the person's name, country, everything. So let's say Ghana. You enter the person's name. Let's say Yao Mensa, Yao Mensa from Ghana, and the phone number is, let's say, 054. Don't start with zero. Yeah, 544 688 2468. Yeah, then I click on continue. So it will create a number for that person. So I'm coming, unless I delete one. The network. Yeah. So obviously, so I deleted one. So this is how you always do. You have to make sure that you delete, because like others you have to be one. So this is the number I added. That's the Yaumensa. So I'll click on Yaumensa. So I want to send 10,000 CDs to Yaumensa on mobile money. That one they will charge you. So I hope you're watching it. So they will charge you fee with 8 CDs. So if I'm sending 10,000, so if I'm sending 10,000 CDs to Yaumensa, I will say 10,000 CDs, they will charge you only 8 CDs. If I'm sending 10,000 CDs to your main sound, they will charge you only 8 CDs. Only 8 CDs. But just because I don't want to pay. So if, let's assume I want to send money to a bank transfer. So you can use EverSend to send money to a bank, a Momo, everything. Not only a person on EverSend, but it's advisable that you also create an EverSend account so that they will not charge you any fee. Because when you watch here, if I'm sending money to, let's say, someone in Ghana, someone in Ghana, 10,000, I will not pay anything. You see, I will not pay anything. The fee is was zero. I will not pay anything. Yeah, I will not pay anything. So I'm sending money to, let's say, someone like Asama Portia. That's my ex-girlfriend. Yeah, so if I'm sending money to Asama Portia, you see that, you see 10,000 cities. There's no fee. Yeah. So if I'm sending some money to someone who is from Nigeria, that's the same thing. I will not pay any fee. I will not pay any fee. It's free. It's free. Unless you are sending the money to the person's mobile money wallet or bank account. That one they will charge you only 8 cities for any amount you are sending. So let's say I'm sending money to someone's bank account in Nigeria. In Nigeria, if I click on it, let's say let me use this for example. So if I'm sending for someone in my bank account 10,000, let's see. 10,000, that's free because this account is my own account. But if I was sending to someone over here, that's the orders, that one they will charge you. They will charge you. Yeah, they will charge you. Yeah. So it's advisable that the person has to also open EverSend account. That one is free. It's free. You can send 20,000 Ghana cedis or 100,000 naira. The person will not be charged. But when you are sending to someone who is using Momo or bank accounts, that one they will charge you for that. Yeah, so I hope it's very clear. Yeah. So when you're sending money from someone from Nigeria to Ghana, it's the same process. It's the same process like this. The same process. Any amount, any amount, any amount, there will not be fee. You see, I'm sending 14.484 million. You see, I'm sending 14.484 million, and the fee is what? Zero. They are not charging me anything. They are not charging me anything. You see, they're not charging me anything. So that's how this one here works. And I hope you will try this and enjoy it. I'm out.